A few days ago I made a video about the possible future CFMOTO 550MT, and after that a viewer sent me a very interesting video. It's a full teardown of the new CFMOTO 550 engine from the 550 CLC cruiser motorcycle. And if you're interested in the 450MT or the possibility of a future 550MT, I think this video for sure is worth watching, because this is not just another spec sheet discussion. This is the engine being taken apart, bolt by bolt. And what makes it interesting is that the 550 engine does not appear to be just a simple copy of the 450. According to the video, CFMOTO claims that around 80% of this engine is newly designed compared to the 450 platform. That's a pretty big statement. And in the teardown, they go through things like clutch, bearings, water pump, valve train, fuel system, cylinder bore, piston, crankcase, connecting rods, valve springs, and more. Now, I'm not an engine builder, so I'm not going to pretend that I can judge every internal component better than someone who actually tears engines apart. But from an adventure rider's perspective, this is still very interesting, because if CFMOTO ever builds a 550MT, the engine will be one of the most important parts of that bike. The current 450MT already has a very usable engine. It's not extremely powerful, but it has a nice character, low good end torque, and it works really well for adventure riding. But the 550 engine could add exactly what many riders are asking for. A bit more power, more torque, better highway comfort, and a more relaxed feeling when the bike is loaded with luggage. The big question is whether that extra performance also comes with a good build quality and a reasonable weight. And that is why this teardown is so useful. It gives us a closer look at what CFMOTO is actually doing inside the new 550 engine. And if a future 550MT is based on this engine, I think this teardown gives us a much better idea of what that bike could become. Again, a 550MT is not confirmed. This is still speculation. But after watching this teardown, the idea of a future 550MT feels even more interesting to me. So, if you want to go deeper into the 550 engine, I really recommend watching the full video. I will put a link in the description and in the pinned comment. And if you have seen it already, let me know what you think. Does the 550 engine look like a real upgrade? Or would you rather keep the lighter and simpler 450 platform? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and see you in the next one.